If you've been wondering how to get free stocks with Moomoo, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how the referral program works so you can start earning rewards quickly and easily. If you already have a Moomoo account, just open the app and head over to the referral program or rewards section. There you'll find your unique referral link that you can share with friends. If you're new to Moomoo, you'll need to sign up using a referral link from an existing user. Once you click the link, you'll be guided to create your account and complete the verification process. To qualify for the free stocks, Moomoo usually requires you to make a deposit. The deposit amount can vary depending on the promotion. Sometimes it's $100, sometimes $1,000, or even $5,000. You may also need to maintain that balance for a set period of time, like 60 days. Once you've met all the requirements, your free stocks will be credited directly to your account. The person who referred you also earns rewards when you finish the process, so both of you benefit. Keep in mind that the exact rewards, deposit requirements, and time frames may vary depending on your region and the current promotion. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more guides like this, and share this with a friend who wants to start investing with Moomoo.